Indians spend years preparing for just one exam. Some study for 8, even 10 years. Many know they might never get selected, yet they keep trying. Why? Why would someone reject a higher paying private job just for a government job? It is because government jobs are easy, or is there a much deeper reason? Today, we're decoding the truth behind India's obsession with government jobs. In India, whenever a government department announces vacancies, the response is astonishing. Sometimes a few thousand jobs receive millions of applications for many posts. The selection rate is lower than admission into some of the world's most competitive universities. This isn't because every applicant dreams of becoming a government officer. It's because government jobs represent something many people value more than a high salary. Stability. Why stability matters? Imagine two people. One works in a private company, the other works in a government job. If the economy slows down, the private employee may worry about layoffs or salary cuts. The government employee usually has a much greater job security. For many families, especially middle class and lower income families, a stable income is more important than earning slightly more money. Parents often encourage their children to prepare for government jobs because they believe it offers a secure future. In a country where supporting an entire family often depends on one income, security becomes a powerful more than just salary. Many people think government jobs are only popular because of the salary, but that's only part of the story. Government jobs may also offer benefits such as pensions for eligible employees under applicable schemes, healthcare benefits in many roles, paid leave, and a structured promotion system. These benefits can make a long-term financial planning easier. Another reason is social respect. In many parts of India, being a teacher, railway employee, police officer, or civil servant brings prestige in the community. For some families, getting a government job is seen as achieving lifelong success, and that is why millions continue preparing despite the intense competition. The coaching industry. For many students, preparing for a government job is no longer just a choice, it becomes a lifestyle. Across India, entire cities have become famous for exam preparation. Thousands of students leaving their homes every year, renting small rooms, and spending long hours studying. Some wake up before sunrise, some study for 10 to 12 hours a day, some attempt the same exam 5, 6, or even 10 times. Around this dream, a massive coaching industry has grown. Every year, families spend thousands and sometimes even lakhs of rupees on coaching, books, mock tests, and hostel fees. Many students succeed, but many don't. And for those who don't, years of preparation can mean missing opportunities in other careers. Is the obsession becoming a problem? Government jobs are important. Teachers educate children, police maintains law and order, doctors save lives, civil servants help run the country. Without them, India cannot function. But here's the question. Should millions of people compete for a very small number of government jobs and many private sector opportunities remain unfilled? Every year, only a tiny percentage of applications are selected. The rest must either prepare again or look elsewhere. Sometimes this creates frustration, financial pressure, and lost years. Experts often argue that India also needs more entrepreneurs, engineers, scientists, skilled workers, and business leaders. A country's economy grows not only through government employment but also through industries, startups, and innovations. Why the private sector matters? There is a common belief that private jobs are always unstable. This isn't always true. Many private companies offer excellent salaries, career growth, and opportunities to work with people around the world. Some professionals earn far more than in the private sector than they might in government service. Others even start their own business, creating jobs for hundreds or thousands of people. Companies in technology, Manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and renewable energy are helping shape India's future. The reality is simple. India needs both strong public institutions and a strong private economy. Neither can replace the other. Can this change? As India's economy grows, new opportunities are emerging. Artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, semiconductor manufacturing, space technology, renewable energy. These ministries are creating careers that barely existed a decade ago. If India continues creating high quality private sector jobs with better security and fair salaries, the pressure on government recruitment could gradually reduce. At the same time, making recruitment faster and more transparent can also increase public confidence. The solution isn't to discourage students from government jobs, it's to ensure that they have more good choices. So, why does every Indian seem to want a government job? The answer isn't a laziness. It isn't because government employees don't work and it's only about money. For many families, a government job represents something much bigger: security, respect, and stability, and the hope of a better future. But India's future will depend not only on government employees, it will also depend on entrepreneurs who build companies, scientists who make discoveries, teachers who inspire students, doctors who save lives, engineers who solve problems, and millions of private sector workers who keep the economy moving. Perhaps the real question isn't why do Indians want government jobs? It's how can India create enough quality opportunities so that every young person has a real chance to succeed. Because when people have choices, the country becomes and grows stronger. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Nation Decoded for more fact-based stories that explain India beyond the headlines. Until next time, stay curious and keep decoding the nation. Thank you.